Hi guys, Stone here. This is Matter Hacks, a video series brought to you by Actionable Insights. Today we're going to be talking about the Compass and Minimap plugin for Matterport. These are exciting new features Matterport's introduced that give you greater flexibility in how you explore your spaces. These are recent introductions to Matterport's toolbox, known as plugins. The example I'm going to use to demonstrate this is a 70,000 square foot office space with a lot of repetitive cubicle areas. You could easily lose your orientation if you weren't 100% sure where you were within the scan. If you don't want to continuously go back to floor plan view or back to dollhouse view just to figure out where you're at, this could help you orient yourself within the space. Definitely could be a useful tool. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the scan and show you what these new features are all about. As soon as I jump right into the scan, you can see we've got two things going on. Here in the top left of the screen, we've got a compass, which is pointing which direction is north. And then in the top right of the screen, we've got a mini-map that's both showing our location as well as the direction we're facing. And as soon as I start navigating the space, you can see that both of these are updating live. So every time I change my position at one of these scan points, you can see that the mini-map's updating. And as I turn, move, look left, look right, you can see that the direction I'm facing in the mini-map is also changing. This is a useful feature. I think this is definitely a great way to help a new user or somebody who's not familiar with the space be able to orient themselves and understand exactly where they are at. You can change these. You can enable them and disable them in the edit mode if you have these features enabled in beta. Here on the right side of the screen, you can see the plugins option. I'm going to go ahead and open that drawer, and you can see it's showing me that I've got the compass feature enabled and I've got the mini-map feature enabled. I'm going to go ahead and click on compass to unpack that a little bit for you guys. You can see it gives you the option to orient the compass. It allows you to set true north so that the direction it's showing is correct for the geographical, physical location of your scan. You can change the size of the compass. You can change the style of it, analog, arrow, minimal. You can also change the position. So you can have this in the top left of your screen, the bottom right of your screen, wherever you want, whatever makes the most sense for what you're trying to convey. If I save this, I can back out of this. I'm going to go ahead and click on the mini-map option. We've got very similar options here. We can orient the mini-map to true north so that it is reflective of the actual direction. Again, a great way to help you orient yourself with the space, knowing which cardinal direction is which way. You can change the shape of the display of the compass. You can change the position to whichever part of the screen you want it to be on. And you can change the zoom of it as well. So you can have it smaller, you can have it bigger, you can have it closer up so that you have a better view of where you are in the space. I think this is a great feature, especially in commercial applications, especially in a large industrial application. This could help you stay oriented with where you actually are within your scan. Not every scan needs this functionality, but I definitely think it's useful in this type of application. Hope you enjoyed today's Matter Hack. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. You can always find more at getinsights.org, and we will catch you in the next Matter Hack. Keep learning and growing, guys.